Crunchyroll announced on Monday that the Chainsaw Man anime adaptation is coming to their streaming platform. The anime will be available in all Crunchyroll territories except Asia. It will have dubs in English, Latin American Spanish, Brazilian Portuguese, French, and German. Crunchyroll also confirmed that the Chainsaw Man anime will air sometime this year, but a specific season hasn't been confirmed yet. Studio MAPPA is producing the anime adaptation with Ryuu Nakayama directing the series. Previously, Nakayama directed the music video Raison d'être for the artist Eve. He also did key animation, episode direction, and storyboarding for Jujutsu Kaisen and The Rising of the Shield Hero. The original manga is created by Tatsuki Fujimoto. He is also known for the manga series Fire Punch, along with two recent one-shot stories, Look Back and Goodbye Eri. Shueisha published the first part of the Chainsaw Man manga from December 2018 to December 2020. According to Suhei Hosono, editor of Shonen Jump Plus, Part 2 will begin serializing in early summer this year. Viz Media releases the English version of the manga, with Volume 11 coming June 7th, 2022. That's all for today. Subscribe for more anime news here on Jotaku Network.